typeface, like you're using a sans serif face there, right? You want to use Arial or Arial Narrow or something, right? Yeah, because just see the fonts all filling in with the background. So anyway, you've got liberty to make this banner bigger, make that and buckle these in two lines and make them really readable because this is you want the guy to be able to see and go, oh hey, that's Whistler. I've heard about Whistler, and then there's a play video button on the picture, right? Okay. Yeah, just use these three, I think, for right now. Right. Okay, and then what you want to do is where this type is right here, you want to put the type. Click on the pictures below to see a tour video. Like let's tell them as well, and then what happens is that this banner is going to be dynamic, just like the click the call button. And so what happens is between 9 and 5, a banner I want to do is put a girl right here with the headset on, and it's going to say, "Hey, we're open. Give us a call or send us an email." And yeah, right over top. So the banner will probably be as where that blue bar is. You can make it. You've got liberty. I don't see it being much higher than this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And so then after 5 o'clock, we're going to have another banner that doesn't have that. But you've got to design one when they're open. We need to say that, hey, we're open right now. You got it. I sent you an email on this. So that's the most creative thing that you got to do right now. And over on this production list that, okay, just working backwards here. These two restaurants, I just sent you them, right? You just got those in Skype, correct? Right. So all you got to do is lay down the audio, and then make the buttons, whatever I talk about, make the buttons appear, and then so you got to send me those two video clips, right? Okay. So this is like an whatever it is, an 8-second animation. Yeah, I just sent him in Skype right now, 5 minutes ago. Okay. Okay. So we these ones you're going to get done today theoretically. Okay, the 95%, it's really simple. If you just watch that YouTube video right there, I just what I need, I big 95% full screen, and it says excellent or good. It was rated excellent or good, and I show how TripAdvisor. You just have to watch that video. Okay, okay. This TripAdvisor award you watch in this video, it says 2013, the one that's in here, right? And I need to change that to 2014, right? Okay, so that's all. You should be able to get that done today. And then the last thing is that right now when we have to demo the video, right? When we send customers a link, basically this is what the Hosa guy did, and it's totally fucked up. So I'm talking to a customer, and they want to see the video player work. So I have to send them. I can't send a hyperlink to a word. I got to link to a page first. And so he made this donkey ass one. So I'm gonna send you our logo and stick our logo at the top. And really, you just want a big play video button in the center of it. It's got to look like a button because that's exact. And then do that to get it going. And what you actually want to do is you want to have a button that says play video, and then we see the customers want to be able to see what happens on a desktop and what happens on a mobile. So we're going to have three buttons on the page. We're going to have one that's dynamic. Well, no, let's have one that says desktop, and then the other one that says mobile. And this is the next project we have to do. Is that it's on the list here, but What I need is, this is a perfect example, is a customer comes to this page, and if they want to see the desktop, that's what they see, and it's, they get it, and they watch it all. But now we want to show them the whole experience of what happens to a mobile customer. And the best thing I got right now, and it's embarrassing, is I send customers this. And it's basically your little animation that you create, and so that it's kind of weak or whatever. It's it's lame. So what we need to do is we need to have a play video button mobile, and when you click on it, I see a phone popping up on the screen, and then basically the video plays, it ends, and then you click the call button, then you dial the phone numbers, and then the phone comes up, and then a person appears on the right hand side, and so they get to understand the whole experience, not just a 6 second animation. Yeah, and so you just follow the pass through. So once he clicks the call button, you got to have a keypad that shows up on his phone. The numbers go in, and you got to animate this, and then the call goes through, and then ping beside the phone, the girl shows up, and I've got a green screen girl. Okay, who's I'm going to feed you the live video, and she's going to say, "Hey, thanks for," or whatever we decide, and just so you know, she's doing some the end of the videos that. Okay, but where would you? I'll give you a storyboard, and that's the next project. But we have to kind of think it through before you start. So right. So you understand. So when they come to the landing page, you can say this is what happens on a desktop, and this is what's happening on mobile, and you call this the ITS video player, and we give some features and benefits, and that's basically what we need to do is create a. So I'm going to put that on the list so you understand that right now, and that is I'm going to add it right here, and I'm going to call that. It's going to be demo of mobile the ITS player. We have the desktops already. We got that one's working. Works on a desktop, but we need a demo of the mobile. Okay, you got that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create a storyboard of what I see the order of the events are. I'll probably do that. I'll probably do that tonight. You check it over, and then you can start collecting the assets together, and we'll get it together. Okay, okay, good deal. Thanks for checking in. Okay, bye.